Okay, so let's do one more. 13. So Chazzan who erred, that's the problem of Chazzan, where in his recitation of silent Shemoneh Esrei prayer, the commentators say who would have to wait longer to Chazzan to begin Chazara Hashatz, repetition of Shemoneh Esrei. No, sorry, it's wrong. In his private Shemoneh Esrei, which he prays before Chazzan repetition, recite it aloud. So one more time. If Chazzan erred in his recitation of silent Shemoneh Esrei, so Chazzan recites Shemoneh Esrei as all of us, right? And he erred in his personal Shemoneh Esrei, not in what he does in public, but what he does in he does in private, right? Does not go back to praise the silent Shemoneh Esrei a second time. I mean, everybody would have to wait for him. That's a little too much, right? So, due to the inconvenience that would bring to the congregation, right? Rather, he relies on Shemoneh Esrei prayer that he will pray aloud, right? There is Chazzan's repetition. Therefore, after he has completed the repetition of Shemoneh Esrei prayer, he should recite Elokai Netzor, and step 3 steps back. 53. Originally, Chazzan does not need to recite Elokai Netzor, or step back after the repetition. Here, however, since he is using Chazzan's repetition to fulfill his own personal obligation as well, he must recite Elokai Netzor and steps back upon conclusion Shemoneh Esrei. So let me explain it. It's very interesting. So he missed Yahweh Yahweh in his prayer, in his personal prayer. Okay. We say, okay, for all others, our simple people, we have to repeat. But he's an important person. He cannot just make everybody wait. So he starts his repetition of Shemoneh Esrei out loud, and he realized that he's going to say Yahweh Yahweh on this Shemoneh Esrei. Okay, all is good, but he did not say the last part, right? Since this prayer that he prayed first, Son, was incompleted, he must complete all of this. May the words of my mouth and Elokai Netzor, this second paragraph, like after that paragraph, and then he takes 3 steps back. So basically, when he does a repetition, he stops right there before may express on my mouth. That's the last thing that he says. I apologize. That's the last thing that he says, but he does not go like Elokai Netzor. You understand? In normal circumstances, but in this case, since he missed his own Shemoneh Esrei, so he has to say all of these things again. Because why? Because generally, he had to pray like from the beginning Shemoneh Esrei. Right? Make sense or no? Okay.
Yeah.